Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start whole numbers. How we write and read the whole numbers. For this we take an example 25675068280. We make a place value chart which have periods, ones periods, thousands periods, millions periods and billions period. Each period have subdivisions. In ones periods we have unit, 10, 100. In thousands we have thousands, 10,000, 100,000. In millions we have million, 10 million, 100 million. In billion we have billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Now we place this number in this place value chart like this. Ones comes in under the units, 8 comes under 10, 2 comes under hundreds, 6 comes under thousands, 0 comes under 10,000s, 5 comes under 100,000s, 7 comes under millions, 6 comes under 10 millions, 5 comes under 100 millions and 2 comes under the billions. Now we read this number like this: 2,567,506,280. After every period from the right side we apply commas. So 2, 567, 506, 280. Whole numbers given in the words. Then how we write them in numerals? For example, 1,200,009. For this we make place value chart up to billion periods, because in question number is started from billion. After that we fill the period according to the given number. We have a place value chart which have periods, ones periods, thousand periods, millions periods and billions periods. In thousand periods we have unit, 10, 100. In ones periods we have unit, 10, 100. In thousand periods we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In millions periods we have million, 10 million, 100 million. And in billions periods we have billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Now we place this number in this place value chart like 1 billion, we write 1 under the billion, 200,000, we write 2 under the 100,000 and 9 under the unit. Now the number is 1,200,009. Next topic is addition. Example, add the following. We have the example 548,353,683, and the next number is 539,363,381. We write them like this: first number and the second number under this. We can add numbers starting from the right. Ones adds in ones, tens adds in tens, hundreds adds in hundreds, and so on. Let's start the addition. 3 plus 1 gives 4, 8 plus 8 gives us 16, ones go up, 1 plus 6, 7, plus 3, 10, ones up, 1 plus 3, 4, plus 3, 7, 5 plus 6 gives 11, ones go up, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 8 plus 9 gives 17, ones up, 1 plus 4 gives us 5 and 3, 8, 5 plus 5 give us 10. Next is subtraction. Example, subtract 5,436,357 from 43,752,836. We write the greater number up and the smaller number down. Now subtract. 6 is smaller than 7. We take the borrow from 3, it's become 16. 16 minus 7 gives us 9. 2 is again smaller than 5. We take the borrow from the 8, it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 gives us 7. 7 minus 3 gives us 4. 2 is again smaller, we take the borrow from the 5, it's become 12. 12 minus 6 give us 6, 4 minus 3 give us 1, 7 minus 3 give us 3. 3 is again smaller than 5, that's why we take the borrow from the 4, it becomes 13. 13 minus 5 give us 8, and the last one 3 as it is, because next topics we have a multiplication. When we multiply any number by 10, 100 or thousands, we put 1, 2 or 3 zeros to the right of the given number. For example, we have this number and we are going to multiply with 10. We just put the 0 on the right of this number. Check it in the answer. There is a 2 zeros and we just put the 1 0 here. More 1 0 at the end of the number because we have a 10 here. Now the next example we have 395,626 multiply with 45. We multiply like this. First of all, we multiply this number with 5, which gives us the answer 1,978,130. In the next step, we write the 0, downs the ones, and start multiplying the number with 4, which gives us the answer 1,582,504. This is the 0 which we applied here in the next step. Now we add these two numbers. 0 adds with 0 give us 0. 3 add 4 give us 7. 1 adds 0 give us 1. 8 adds with 5 give us 13. 3 ones up. 1 and 7 give us 8 and 2 give us 10. Ones up. 1 and 9 10 and add 8 it becomes 18. 8 down and 1 up. 1 and 5 give us 2 and 2 and 5 give us 7 and 1 as. Thanks.